What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. Today we're going to go on the IKEA elevator. Alright, which one's gonna open first? Eeny, meeny, miny. I'm just gonna leave that out. Let's wait forever. And wait forever. And there it is. And there it is.
Read inside.
Alright, guys. This elevator is like bigger than my room. This elevator is bigger than my room, guys. Way bigger than my room. It is so spacious.
I might have to take a
This
polar
is a
bear.
corner.
Huh?
I might have to take a polar bear.
No.
Tell her she's a Bruin. She ain't a polar bear.
Yeah.
We're the polar bears.
She's a what?
She's a Bruin.
What's a brook brewing? Hey, what's that? Is that Target? That's a Target. Yeah, it is. It's a Target.
We gotta walk off our meatballs and look at plants.
We gotta what?
We gotta walk off those meatballs and go look at
I
plants.
wanna carry them like this.
Alright.